Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you turn on and how can you turn off always on display on your iPhone. So at first you need to just go to your settings. Now just scroll a bit and click on display and brightness. Now just scroll again and click on auto lock. Now in the auto lock section, just select the last one, never. By selecting this, your iPhone will be on always on display, and if you select 30 seconds to 5 minutes, your iPhone will be turned off in this meantime if you don't touch it. So guys, that's how you can turn on and turn off always on display on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and stay with us by subscribing Tech Team. Thank you so much for watching the video.